Hello everyone, it's time for your urgent dose of internet. This genius guy was able to create a fire vortex inside a bubble. A family happened to be in the right place to witness a huge and terrifying dust cloud moving toward them.
Close to us it is.
This is what happened when these cows see light for the first time in 6 months.
You know it ain't X. Oh shit.
The ultimate life for me is to develop myself to new levels and help others to do the same. To experience a new energy, think smarter, visualize new things, and feel feelings that you never felt before. That's the magic. That's the sweet spot you need to make the impossible possible.
A giant US Navy nuclear submarine breaks through polar ice with ease. That will be all for this video. Hope you enjoyed.